Vena Vata Munene wa Silikali Nene Kwisila kwa Muvea wa Uiiti Kukwatania na Ataalamu ma Useuvya wa Ndawa Sya Miti ni Kana Kutetheesya Nthi ya Kenya Kwithiwa Itonya Kwiseuvisya Ndawa ni Kwianana na Mutaalamu wa Maundu ma Useuvya wa Ndawa Sya Miti Muly ula Waelesya Kana Silikali Niyailite Kwosa Mwolooto usu na Mituki ibindani Nthi ya Amerika itangasite kuveta utethyo wo maunduni ma Uiiti va Nthi ya Kenya. Dani Mwangala Waelesya.
Kana na Muly ula ni mutaalamu wa maundu ma Useuvya wa miti Kwiseuvisya mawithiluko ni kana ibindani Silikali ya Nthi Amerika iminite kutangasa kuveta utethyo wo maunduni ma Uiiti Vena Vata wa Silikali ya Nthi ya Kenya Kwisila kwa Muvea wa Uiiti kumantha nzia nzau sya Useuvya wa ndawa ta Kukwatania na ene Nthi na utwiko wa Useuvya ndawa maitume ya miti.
One message I have to pass to the government is that through the research centers, because we have been noting that when you go to some research centers, you find that you have given a certain hub for that examination and all that for testing, but somebody may decide that this research belongs to me, and out of that person gets lost. Or maybe some people feel that this one would be, the people who are using the conventional medicine, they feel that, well, I think this one is a problem. This person will become a problem, you become a threat to us. So we don't want that to be passed on. And so there are so many barriers, which are making us Herbalist not go very far. Because I feel that with the herbal medicine, we can develop ours, we can grow, and we can also be a tourist hub, people coming to learn and also people to get treatment. And they also support those who are doing, it is an enterprise whereby people are helping others.
Ovo ni wende uthuthya ene Nthi alamena utwika wa Useuvya miti maende na Ikwatianie vamwe na wetakana ivindani ene Nthi ingine maminite kwiveta utumini usu wa miti na ingimo makanyama.
Challenge is people have become too modern. They feel that they cannot be treated using herbal medicine because they say that it is more traditional. People are putting a lot of cultures in it, so they feel that they cannot be treated by that, and people are suffering more because they feel that they cannot be treated by such people. They feel that the aged people died, passed on, and these young people cannot know that.
Daniel Muonkela, Mutongwe TV, kuba kauntini ya Masako.